Well, let's take a quick look at my tractors I got for the end of the year this year. We got the 1800 here, Oliver. I might get this one's regular engine running or do some kind of cool repower to this one. That'll be a handy tractor if I get it going. We got the Power Wheel, which is a powerhouse. Does all my work around here, really. We got my first tractor I ever got, my A48. Running real good this year. We got the 3720. That actually does all the work around here. What a gem. Then we got, I think this is a 56 John Deere 70. Which, this is a really nice tractor too yet. And then my latest one I just bought, a John Deere R. This is also a 48. And this thing's really sweet. Runs really good. Both motors. Maybe now with it getting cold, we'll have to try to do some cold start videos on all of them. I got this one going last night and it took almost the entire tank of gas out of the little pony motor, but it ran and it was like 12 degrees out, which was pretty impressive. And over here I got the attachments for the 3720. Sweet snow blower. And then the brush broom. And also for that one I got the Quick Connect lawn deck too. So yeah, a couple new ones to the fleet of tractors this year. See what else we could get.